GE Dishwasher Model GDT635HSJSS Error Codes. GE GDT635HSJSS 24-inch Energy Star built-in dishwasher with 16 place settings, 4 wash cycles, 48 dBA, bottle jets, wash zones, adjustable upper racks and hybrid stainless steel interior, in stainless. Error codes. Code number H. Problem: the dishwasher is in delay start mode. Fix. For more information on this feature, please view Dishwasher Delay Start option. Code C1. Problem: the pump out during drain has exceeded 2 minutes. Fix. Clean the air gap. Replace or reposition the hose. Run the disposer to clean it out.